Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So, anyways, on gold monthly, I still think it's extremely obvious this is a 1, a 2, and we're in a wave 3. I mean, this wave 3, even though it's going down a little bit, definitely doesn't have to be over. We don't have a breaker start, so we don't have a Fibonacci bounce. We definitely don't have any lower highs. I mean, this could continue up pretty easily, still being a wave 3. I mean, don't get me wrong, eventually you would expect it to make a big correction for a wave 4 and a wave 5, but we definitely don't have any evidence of that yet. Going down to the weekly time frame, yes, it's been going down pretty strong, but even on the weekly, no breaker structure, no Fibonacci bounce, no lower high tells me that the trend is definitely still up. Now, this move down is probably pretty likely a correction to this last move up. I was actually kind of thinking that maybe this is the end of a 3 of 3 and we're in a 4 of 3, and that eventually it's going to go up and make the wave 5 of wave 3. Then possibly we'll get the reversal telling us that the wave 3 on the monthly time frame is really over. Heading down to the daily time frame, definitely very impulsive down. I think what we have here is three waves of A. I think we're going to end up making a move to the upside, like this, probably more likely like that for a wave B, and probably eventually back down for a wave C. I think this is probably a wave 4 of wave 3. This is not the monthly time frame wave 4. This is most likely the wave 4 of wave 3, which is just a subdivision of the wave 3. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move right here. I think we're in a wave B right now, like I was showing on the daily time frame. So that most likely means that this is an A of B, this is a B of B. I would be watching my Fibonacci retracement levels very closely for a reversal, telling us that we're heading back up for a wave C of wave B, which honestly I would expect the wave C to at least go back up into this territory. So that would probably put us to the 61 to the 78% for the end of this ABC of wave B. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I would expect this first move up, especially because it looks like a trend on the 1 hour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's like a perfect trend. Probably a wave A of B. I think this is 1, 2, 3 waves down. B of B. If we get a reversal and a Fibonacci bounce and a nice little breaker structure right there, then that's probably going to be heading up to make the C of wave B, like I was showing on the 4 hour time frame, probably to the 61 or the 78% Fibonacci retracement of this whole move down, which I think the whole move down is the A. So I think this is an A. I think we're making a wave B, and eventually we will go back down once the wave B is over for the wave C. I think this is all a wave 4 of wave 3 on like the weekly to daily time frame range. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.